Have you noticed rippling water in your toilet? Can you hear water running in your toilet tank? Flappers can warp, crumble, or eventually lose its seal over the flush tube, allowing water to leak through. Step 1. Shut off your water supply valve behind the toilet. Step 2. Press and hold the tank lever down until all water exits the tank. Step 3. Remove the flapper and detach the chain that connects the flapper to the tank lever. Step 4. Set the new flapper in place and connect the chain to the tank lever. Turn your water supply back on and observe as the tank fills. There should be no leaks. If left unattended, a damaged flapper will leave you with a leaky toilet that will eventually impact your water bill. A damaged flapper can waste up to 200 gallons of water per day. If the new flapper doesn't stop the leak, then the flush valve might be bad. Replacing other tank parts might be necessary to stop the leak. If you run into trouble, we're here to help you. With all your plumbing needs, just give us a call.